Discover a lifestyle that goes beyond your expectations and be prepared to be swept off your feet once you step into the gated community of Mohan Suburbia at Ambernath West with 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences spread across 45 acres of land with 2250 residences, commercial plus shopping complex. Step into the lavish clubhouse in the heart of community living, offering residents a space to socialize, relax and rejuvenate, and take a refreshing dip in the sparkling swimming pool or indulge in the workout session at the gym. For more details, you can call us and subscribe to our channel DHC New Homes for updates. Welcome to Mohan Suburbia, where luxury meets comfort in the heart of Ambernath West. So as we step inside, you'll immediately notice the spacious layout and stylish interiors that define Mohan Suburbia living. Let's take a closer look. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by a welcoming foyer leading to the expansive living area. The large windows flood the space with natural light, creating a warm and inviting ambience. The living room is the perfect place to relax and entertain with ample space for comfortable seating and stunning views. After the living room, we are moving towards the kitchen space, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, sleek countertops and plenty of storage space. The adjoining dining area provides ideal setting for the family meal and gathering. This is a place where you can wash your utensils, you can keep your utensils and you can use it in any other way also. You can keep your appliances also. From this kitchen, we will be moving towards the other space of the house. We are moving towards the common powder area of the house. So let's explore the common powder area where luxury and comfort converges. Each powder area is designed with a peaceful retreat. Now let's explore the bedroom where luxury and comfort converges. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed to provide a peaceful retreat with plush carpeting, spacious closet and ensuite bathroom for an added convenience. Step into these bathroom and experience a relaxation with designer fixtures and modern vanities. Mohan Suburbia provides a lot of amenities like the acupressure park, aerobic center, beach volley court, chess, badminton court, cricket pitch, gymnasium, lawn tennis, skating ring and many more. This project is located in Amber Colony at Ambernath West and the possession date of the project is August 2020 as it is a ready to move in project and it is brought to you by Mohan Group. So if we talk about the square feet area or the sizes of the apartment at Mohan Suburbia, then here a 1 BHK flat sizes starts from 675 square feet and goes till 750 square feet and the prices starts from 24.97 lakhs to 29.70 lakhs. For a 2 BHK, the sizes starts from 880 square feet and goes to 1125 square feet and the prices starts from 32 lakhs to 41 lakhs onwards. And for a 3 BHK, the sizes starts from 1335 square feet and goes till 1520 square feet and the prices starts from 49.38 lakhs to 56.22 lakhs onwards. If you are interested in this project, then contact us to schedule a site visit for an experience of luxury living at its finest. Thank you.